guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is my daughter, si Julia. Don't do it.
And I'm already feeling better.
Yeah. Huwag ka malikot. Huwag ka malikot.
Guys, this video is sponsored by I don't know. What's it called again? What is it called? What is it called?
I don't know. Sponsored by who?
This video is sponsored by Show It Mama.
Sponsored by. Hindi ko ma-flip yung ano. Hindi ko ma-flip yung camera. Ewan ko. Yung cellphone na to. Okay. So, wait a minute. Okay. We're doing a
Unboxing video.
unboxing. Pumunta kasi kami ng Gaisano because nagbili kami ng nag-grocery kami. Excuse me. Nag-grocery kami. Tapos, nakita niya yung toy. Ito. Kasi gusto niya magpabili ng toy.
Look at the box.
So,
there's more.
ayan. So, binilan ko siya. So, ayan. Gusto niya i-unboxing yung toy niya. Kung gaano kaganda yung toy niya. Okay? Sige, talk to them. So, what are you going to do?
I'm going to unbox this toy.
Okay. Okay. This toy is the name Fashion Girl. Ano to? 249 pesos lang. Ito, mura lang siya. Ayan. Hindi naman kasi siya sa toy as long as maganda.
And I'm the one who named her. Her name is Blueberry. And my favorite color is actually blue, guys.
Okay. So, okay, we're going to unbox your toy. Okay, first. Okay. See? Oh. Meron siyang how many? Meron siyang ito. Ito siya.
Look at her hair.
Okay. Oh.
I actually put Vicks on her.
Why?
Because she actually looked very dry.
Ito lang yung nag-unboxing na-open na na-open niya na. Oh my gosh.
She's dead.
So, this is how you
dress her up.
Okay.
These are actually all the same.
Show them.
So this is how you do it. You just clip them back in and then you pick anything in here.
Okay.
Look, I will dress up mine.
Okay.
So you need to put it right here.
So, flex. So, she has shoes.
Red boots.
Red boots. Okay.
I'm gonna dress her up very fancy. I'm gonna do the skirt first because it's so hard to do.
Okay. Naki-flex them, anak. How many dresses? Sorry. How many dresses
are there?
Yeah.
There is 1, 2,
Dress.
3.
What's the color of the dress? First,
that's a robe. That's a robe.
Oh, it's a robe. What color is a robe?
Yellow.
Okay, yellow. And
guys, I actually went to school yesterday. I mean, right now.
Just a while ago.
Yes, a while ago.
Galing pa siya sa school niya kasi nag-face-to-face na sila. Twice a week. Sila, online. I mean,
what?
Face-to-face. Ano yung pinagsasabi ko? Wala ako sa ano. Wala ako sa ano ko.
Wait.
Isip ko. So, ito, meron siyang red dress.
You need to put it over her so she can... Look.
Oh, that's it's a shirt. It's not a dress. It's a sleeveless.
Sleeveless dress. Or more like skirtless dress.
Skirt. At meron din siyang pants.
Shorts.
It's a pants, anak. Kasi pants. Shorts is here. Short. This is a pants. Okay ko. So, siya.
So this is what you're gonna
Red.
be with. And then if you move the dress, it looks like she's dancing. There's an ant.
Okay. And then she has a blue skirt again.
But more bigger. This one is more smaller than the other one.
Ah, okay. And then she has
Glasses.
it's a mask.
Oh, it's a masquerade party.
Yeah. And meron siyang clip.
For
Oh my gosh.
your
How?
hair. For your hair.
Oh, that's
Not
for your
for-
hair, not for her because
Yes, because her feel the
matigas
hair.
yung hair niya. Okay.
And this is how you do
Then-
it. This is how you put on her glasses. If you have a toy like this, do the same.
Mhm.
There's actually no instructions for this.
There's no
There's no instructions.
instruction.
I can't say it properly.
Yeah, okay.
Guys, it's almost my birthday though.
Oh, when is your birthday?
July 16.
Oh, okay.
And today is 2022 and it's June 1.
Okay.
And Anna will come home from Butuan for June 4.
On
June 4. And look.
Oh,
Meow.
she's beautiful. Oh, ibalik mo. Yan. And
You can actually my favorite one is actually the yellow one.
okay, show them.
The yellow one is my favorite. Because it's kind of cute.
Mm-hmm.
Because it matches with this.
Ah, okay.
That's why it's my favorite. My least favorite is actually the pants.
Why?
Because my mama's the one who helped me.
Kasi mahirap kasi yung legs niya.
Last time her legs was bent.
Yeah. Kasi yung legs kasi niya.
Señora.
Parang ano,
Dios miro.
hindi na kapag ano, parang walang
Dios
kain.
miro.
Parang walang kain.
Dios miro.
She's a very slim. Legs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Together, show it to them. Show it to them now. And then,
her.
so what else can you do to her? How about the pants? Show them. Show them.
What?
Show them to what ba? Ano
How
yun?
to
Isuot
put the
mo.
pants?
Ah.
They can actually
Because
I guess she's very slim.
you can.
You can.
Oh my god. Okay. And then
I don't know, you can just.
okay. So
She's naked.
okay, sige na. Para
She's
siya
naked. I can't.
Para siya hindi pinakain ng ilang.
She is very slim. It's so hard to put this on.
Yan, sige.
I need to take this off.
Okay, take that off. Stop! You're ruining it.
Oh my! The sticker fell off. Because I was like, boom, boom, boom.
Okay, show them na. Oh, sige, sige.